All right. Now we're doing free code camp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, functional programming. Use the every method to check that every element in an array meets a criteria. All right. So the every method works with arrays to check if every element passes a particular test. It returns a Boolean value, true if all values meet the criteria, and false if not. So for example, the following code would check if every element in the numbers array is less than 10, right? So we're looking at this, and clearly we have 10 and 11, so it's going to be false. So numbers.every, and then we do a function like this, and then return current value less than 10, it's going to be false, all right? We're going to be doing it ES6 style, but you can also do it normal style if you feel like it. We're going to use the every method inside the checkPositive function to check if every element in R is positive, and the function should return a Boolean value, right? Okay, so what we're going to do here is we'll come over here and we'll start by declaring a variable. We'll say let, what should we say? Let check equal R dot every, and then we'll put in here the ES6 function. We'll say numbers, number like this, and then we'll say number needs to be greater than or equal to 0, right? And then we'll come down here and say return check, all right? And then we'll wrap this thing up in parentheses, and we'll say in front of it console.log. And right here it says false because this one is negative, and let's take the negative out of that one, and it says true like that. So all of them are positive here, and just one of them being negative makes it false, right? So let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to use the sum method to check that any element in an array meets a criteria, and we'll see you next time.